Be ready. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, the middle class is amongst the people hit hardest by the new taxation policy stop. On the one hand, the tax on their income is on the increase and thereby their income is decreased, and on the other hand, articles of consumption are being subjected to forces which raise their prices stop. In these circumstances, it will be very difficult for these classes to balance their budget, and the question of their saving anything and their investing their savings for purposes of common good is very problematic stop. Sir, the middle classes, as is well known, are the backbone of the society. They are the real workers of the land, and they should not be disabled or made vitally less enthusiastic by these measures in contributing towards the success of the plan stanza. The indirect taxes have really got an inflationary tendency stop. To a complaint made in this respect, the Honorable Finance Minister said that the inflationary tendencies are already there and that the government through these excise duties will be able to mop up a portion of the extra profits for the benefit of the exchequer, and he implied that these excise duties need not raise the prices in many cases. Full stop. The inflationary tendencies are due to the play of market forces, and the prices will go up to a maximum that can be borne by the consumer stop. Sir, he seems to have a very tender heart for the inflationary tendency, but I do not know whether the inflationary tendency has got any compunction or consideration for the ability or the inability of the consumer to bear the prices that those tendencies may put up stop. In certain other cases, he admits that the excise duties do raise the prices, and in such cases, excise duties are designed to restrain consumption, either to bring about internal investment or to increase exports stop. In certain cases, I admit that higher prices may restrain and restrict consumption stop. For example, if the price of sugar is raised, people may consume less sugar stop. That is a known fact, but it does not stop there stop. In such cases, human nature must be taken into consideration stop. It is a matter of common knowledge that if sugar is beyond the reach of the people, they do not stop there. They take to other alternative articles. They go in for gur or such other things, and therefore no saving is effected thereby. Full stop. Over.